Director for our SBD PH Nationals 2025. Of course, as one of also following the sport, I'm also proud to be a witness to the growth of powerlifting. Before, pupunti lang kami dito, but right now, we are about to see 100 participants in this 3-day event in our SBD PHN. Ito na yata yung pinakamalaking venue namin dito sa isang powerlifting competition, and we're so lucky to have our event, 3-day event here at the SM North EDSA Sky Dome. Okay, let's proceed to our ribbon cutting. May we call in our board members of the Powerlifting Association of the Philippines. Of course, PAP is the official National Sports Association of Powerlifting, and also some representatives for our host city, the Quezon City Sports Development Office. Again, we thank you, of course. The support of the local government is very big sa mga ganitong klaseng competition. And here we now. Gentlemen and lady, you may now cut the ribbon. All right, let's give a warm round of applause